Here's what I got for a windlass. As you can see, the motor's gone and the worm shaft is gone. All the bearings are gone. The main winch shaft is there and functions, so it could be used by hand, but we found a spare. The gears are all smooth. It's like, yay! Treasure! So right now, see if I can't unbolt this. Well, work on it. I closed on the boat today. Sun's just going down. First objective is to get these wires free. It's hard for me to see. Guess I could unbolt it. See if I can't swing it up. I dug back in there as far as I could with a screwdriver. A socket would be a good solution, but I'm working with the tools that I have. So it is a crescent wrench and a screwdriver. Oh, revisit my spelunking days. I guess first things first, get in the hole with both hands. I have to get in here somehow. They might find me here weeks from now, starved to death. Head first in the chain locker. Oh, don't tell me I gotta go in further. Where'd the screwdriver go? Oh no. It broke loose. That's a good sign. How much would it have cost to have brought a socket set with me? Hey, I think I just got the fourth nut loose. All right. The windlass is unbolted. Now, how am I going to get out of here? Setting that nut is probably not high priority. Where'd the camera go? Okay. Yeah. Oh. So, all you spelunkers out there, you don't lose an opportunity by buying a sailboat. And go back after the tools. These bolts are free. I think I might just go ashore and try to find a socket set. I'm gonna go find me some tools. Let's see if we can get these things out of there now. Maybe I can just pick it up and the bolts will pull out. Ah, yay! Except for the wires. Gotta get the front bolts out. No choice. The big thing is getting the thing rolled up to where I can get to the wires. There we go. Not even hardly a problem. These wires are free. Didn't sound good. Oh, I lost my cup. Oh well. My little cup, I guess I could go in after it, but no. I probably ought to. Ah. Okay. Trouble is now there's quite a current out here. Gotta make me work for it. And if I lose my GoPro, definitely going in after that. rinse it off with some fresh water, dry it, ready to mount my winch. And so I felt like the cup was not worth my time to go after. And then I realized, but it's a plastic cup that's floating away on the tide, and I can't be that person. The old Windlass, well, it'll make a good fish habitat somewhere, but a plastic cup, no. I really think I ought to pull that motor back off and put some kind of sealant under there. That'll be so much easier. There's little bite marks in the aluminum. Somebody had a tool in there doing something. Oh, somebody's had a chisel in there going in this way, digging into the metal, and they've removed, oh gee, 20 thousandths of an inch of metal in places. And then it's left kerfs sticking up all along the edge here that's going to keep the motor from seating. So, I'm going to get that flat. The face of the file will pick up, and so all the force that I'm putting on will concentrate on the high spots. There are some real high spots. This right here, I think somebody probably beat on it really hard there, trying to get the motor off. As long as there aren't any places where they've chiseled on it like that, the laser blade works great. And the blood lubricates things really well. I'm glad I did this. It would have leaked something terrible if I hadn't. Well, that's looking pretty darn good. It'll stop bleeding eventually. Where'd my razor blade go? And as we have seen, every moment I do this is threatening to perform an auto-appendectomy. That'll work. So we're good to go. Time to put it back together. There's my hide point oil. Take a little fingerful there, just enough to kind of wet the surfaces. Just so it's not clean, because my purpose isn't to glue the thing on. Just enough to make a little fillet. Phillips here, just something to push on the Woodruff key to realign it when it decides to go AWOL. Okay, now I gotta get it over on its side so I can see it. Ooh, that felt good. Felt like it just fell right in. They don't go together like that every day. Okay, now where's my open end wrench? Okay, there goes. Let's put some of this in there. It's winding in. That's where the bow is. So Italia is up anchor, and the other one is down anchor. Okay, you hold that up out of the way. Like glue. That is probably going to squirt everywhere when I set this down. Put these back in, and I have to climb inside the chain locker and again hold my beer. I'm going in. Certainly a good yoga exercise. Oh gee, there's really no light out here. But hey, like I said the other night, you know, you work until you're done. It was just too dark to work. I couldn't see anything. It's pitch black out there. I wired the motor in the dark by braille. The winch is torqued down so that the glue is drying with two diagonal bolts. But it has been an incredible day. And I'm looking forward to getting some sleep. So I'm going to have to use my ratchet up here. figure out some way to keep it from falling off. There's the hard part. Let's see if I can do it from here. Oh, it's tightening up good. This winch is mounted. Yay. There's the up button, there's the down button.